The things that protect us, give us food and develop medicine are dying out quick.
Time to make a super coral play, y'all.
But that's nothing, cause this is my era.
What about you?
This is my era. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my era.
We invite you to take the super coral play challenge.
This is my era.
Do something to reduce your carbon footprint and show the world.
Take action, cause this is my era. What about you?
The coral reef's getting bleached every day. Don't just stand there, man. Make a play. When the waters get way too warm, we all pay.
It's a real close game, so make a play. Cause small things have the biggest effect. We're living in debt to the earth. All we gotta do is give it respect. Either make a super coral play today, or a quarter of marine life will die. Are you listening yet? Drop the carbon emissions before we take it too far. Ride a bike to get around if you don't need a car. Switch the lights off, or switch to LEDs.
Avoid single-use plastics and microbeads.
You got the power to be a power player for real.
When people beat up on the planet, we're helping it heal.
So when I hit you with these impact bars, it's a really big deal. Cause this is my era. This is my era. This is my era. And this is the air I breathe. This is my era. This is my ocean. This is my planet. Ay. And this is the place that I call my home. What about you? Super coral play